Hello guys, it's me Tejas and welcome to Code Me. This is the seventh tutorial of the racing game. In this tutorial we will speed, excuse the speed. So now let's go to the font form2 dot vb code window. Let's go to the road mover, take method, and here right here first we need a label. Just copy this code label, paste. Oh no. I think we will let them start it cross. We don't want to startable. And change the text to speed 0 and the name to speed text. Now just go to the road mover tick method, right here speed text dot text is equals to inverted commas speed okay. Go to the enemy car mover tick method, right here speed. These speeds depend on you which speed you want. I'm just writing what speed I want. So now let's okay. Go to enemy mover method, right here speed, same with all three, but set the different distance speed for different mover and car. As you see, we have done with this. So now let's start the project. Know what's the problem. Build failed. Okay, I know the problem. Now let's just remove this little bit. Okay. As you see, the speed is constant. Now for that, for that we will just write in the enemy code any road mover take method. We will write here if score just we have to write this line and just copy it. Right here 7 You can set the speed according to you, which you want. Now I will write the 30, the 40, the 10. Now write plus 2 is 9. After this, write only. I'm writing here. I am finding this here. If speed greater than 40, not speed, let's go 4 greater than 40, then speed is equals to 11, not even 10. Okay, so if you want to increase, then you can do like this only. If you want to end, let's write the statement, and now let's get started. So now, oops, it's too much fast. It's starting from then. Just seems to sound a little bit, or it will give you problems. See, as you see, it's working too fast and it's looking good. So that's it for this tutorial, and this is the end of this tutorial. For next, I will bring so much tutorial in future. Till then, stay tuned with my channel, Coding Me, and subscribe to me with my channel, and share this video with the friends. And this is the last video, and after that, just tell me which platform coding do you want in the comment box. So